Ummeli kaMengameli wezwe odabeni oluthinta ukukhonjwa indlela komvikeli womphakathi uthi akukho okuxambukele kwenziwe uMengameli uRamaphosa ngoba likho nelilodwa icala noma udaba oluphenywa ihhovisi likaMkhwebane ngoMengameli.
The president is facing no criminal charges. He's facing no further investigation from the public protector that has been canvassed on the affidavits. And for that reason, we say none of this bears any relevance to the question of determining conflict, in respect of which no relief has been sought.
Inhlangano yeDemocracy in Action ithi kumele ifakelwe izibuko izathu zokuxoshwa komvikeli womphakathi ehhovisi.
We think that it's a useful distinction for the court to draw between whether what's being assessed is the performance of the public protector in a report that's been produced following an investigation by her office. And that performance is the subject of the judicial review proceedings that we see in our courts, where reports are being reviewed and the process that led to the report is being scrutinized by the judges.
Izazi zomthetho zibe sezicubungulisisa okubekwe iDemocracy in Action etafuleni.
It criticizes the independent panel. It criticizes the fact that the rules allow for removal on the basis of mere error. Now, I don't accept that they do, but that is its criticism. It criticizes the fact that the rules do not provide for sufficient confidentiality.
Namhlanje usuku lwesihlanu kunkankanywa udaba oluthinta ukukhishwa ihhovisi komvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkwebane njengoba ngomsombuluko waqala wenza izethulo ngummeli wakhe uAdvocate Dalimpofu SC.